Assalamualaikum. Welcome to my today's online class. This class is organized by City Government Girls High School, Chattogram. I am Roxana Choudhury, Assistant Teacher, City Government Girls High School, Chattogram. My dear learners, how are you today? Hope all of you and your family are fine by the grace of Almighty Allah. I am also fine. Today I am going to teach you from your English grammar and composition book and its unit 3, lesson 1 and 2, present simple and past simple. At first, we should know what is tense. Tense refers to the time of action or state indicated by a verb. According to time references, there are three main tenses. The present tense, that refers to present state or different modes of present action. The past tense refers to past state or different modes of past action. The future tense refers to future state or different modes of future action. Each of these tenses has four different aspects. They are simple, continuous, perfect, and perfect continuous. In this unit, you will learn some of these aspects. Okay, my dear students. Now, we will go to the main page, that means lesson 1, present simple. Please open your book. Number A, read the following text and look at the underlined verbs. Tell your partner which tense it is. Number 1, Arif lives in a village. His village is beside a river. It is located in the district of Gazipur. Number 2, student, sir, I want to show you my homework. Teacher, very good. Please show it to me. Number 3, passenger, does this bus go to Farmgate? Bus conductor, yes, it does. Number 4, daughter, Ma, do you have a nail cutter? Mother, yes, I do. Please get it from the drawer. Number 5, Abanti, how are you, Anika? Anika, I am fine, thank you. Number 6, doctor, can you walk now? Patient, yes, I can. There is a note here, so we can understand that we are discussing about present simple tense. Do you understand what tenses are talking about? Okay, if we are talking about general present or about a regular or habitual action, we use the present simple tense. That means you have seen dialogue, some dialogues, and here you have seen that it's a present simple and it is a general present, or about it means they have used some regular or habitual action, so it must be present simple tense. So we will go to the next activity, verbs used in the present simple. Number 1, be verbs, am, is, and are. Number 2, have verbs, have, has. Number 3, action verbs in the present form, want, get, show, etc. Number 4, passive verbs with the past participle form of a main verb. For example, is located. Number 5, auxiliary verbs do and does, which are used in making interrogative or negative sentences. For example, do you have a nail cutter? Number 6, models can. Okay, my dear students, now I am going to show you some charts. Now I am going to show you a chart of to be verb, that means affirmative form, full and short forms. I am, you are, you, he is, his, she is, she's, it is, its, we are, we're, you are, your, they are, their. Negative form, full and short forms. I am not, am not. You are not, you are not, you aren't. He is not, he is not, he isn't. She is not, she's not, she isn't. It is not, it's not, it isn't. We are not, we are not, we aren't. You are not, you're not, you aren't. They are not, they're not, they aren't. Okay, now we'll go to the interrogative form and it will be am I, are you, is he, is she, is it, are we, are you, are they. Okay, I think you have understand the format of to be verb, and they have used here in affirmative form, negative form, and also interrogative form. Now we will go to the next slide. It's simple present tense in also in positive form, and there is a structure here that in positive form the structure will be like subject plus be1 or main verb, and we have to add s, es or ies. As example, he starts, she starts, it starts, I start, you start, we start, you start, they start. Example, I like it. Another example, she likes it. Negative form, we will use the structure like subject plus does or do not plus be1. He doesn't start, she doesn't start, it doesn't start, I don't start, you don't start, we don't start, you don't start, they don't start. Okay, now then there is an example here that means I do not or I don't like it, and another example is she does not, she doesn't like it. Okay, now we'll come to the question form, and the structure here, the structure will be does or do plus subject plus be1 or main verb. Then the example will be does he start, does she start, does it start. If we use do, then it will be do I start, do you start, do we start, do you start, do they start. An example, you like it. So it when we will convert it in question form, we have to write do you like it, and in affirmative form or positive form it will be he likes it, and when you will transform it or change it in question form, then it will be does she like it. Okay, my dear students, I hope you have understood simple present tense clearly. Now we'll go to some activity from our book. Number B. Now use the correct form of verbs in the following gaps. Number 1. Hi Shohak. How is everybody at home? They are fine, thanks. Number 2. I drink milk most days a week. I am telling you also the answer. Number 3. Students do not know the room in which the game teacher stays or trains. Number 4. The train doesn't touch at every station. Number 5. The security guard may ask me who I am. Number 6. The SSC exam is usually held in February every year. Number 7. Do you know? No, I don't. Number 8. Things in this shop are expensive. Number 9. Mom often asks me, do you brush your teeth regularly? Yes, I do. Number 10. The teacher said, "Do you smoke?" The students replied, "No, sir, I don't." Okay, I have told you the answer and I hope you have written it in your exercise book. And now, my dear learners, there is some exercise here. Number C. Describe the following items to your partner. That means you have to describe the following things with your partner. And the topics is number 1, the house or apartment we live in or you live in. Number 2, your hometown or birthplace. Number 3, one of your closest relatives. Number 4, a beautiful place in your city. Number 5, a position you have for a long time. My dear students, I am not giving you the homework. I am just advising you to do it in your home and just practice it in your home. Okay, now come to activity D. Write a paragraph on one of following topics using the present simple tense. And the topics are my best friend, a ghost, our next door neighbor. So you have to write any of a paragraph any of this topic and you will practice it in your home also. My dear learners, now we will go to lesson 2, past simple. Number A, read the following text and look at the underlined verbs. You must notice the words which are underlined, and by this we have to find out which tense it is. Number 1, my father worked in a bank when we lived in Munshiganj. Then he started a business in Dhaka and at one stage we moved there. Number 2, Rafiq was in class 6 when his mother died. Number 3, Bangladesh won ICC trophy in 1997. That time all cricket fans celebrated the event very much. Number 4, interviewer. When were you born? Interviewee, I was born in 2001. Number 5, my uncle visited many countries of Europe when he had a job in England. Number 6, what did you do last weekend? Nothing much. I only finished my homework. Okay, my dear students, I hope you have understood in which tense these lines are or these words are. So we have a note here. The past simple tense is used with reference to past times because that means the past simple is always refer or always will say our past actions or past times. Verbs used in the past simple tenses are number 1, be verb, was, were. Number 2, have verb, that means had. Number 3, action verbs in the past form will be like that: worked, lived, started, moved, etc. Number 4, passive verbs. It will be like auxiliary verb was, were plus past participle. For example, was informed, were stolen, was born, etc. You can show it in your example in activity A. You will see the references. Number 5, auxiliary verb did is used in making interrogative or negative sentences. For example, what did you do last weekend? Number 6, the models can be used in past simple is are could, would, used to, etc. Okay, my dear learners, now we will I'm going to show you a chart. That means in positive we use I was famous, you are famous, he was famous, she was famous, it was famous. We were famous, you are famous, they were famous. So uh, if we tell it in negative form, then we have to tell I wasn't, you weren't, he, she or it wasn't famous, we weren't famous, you were not famous, they weren't famous. Okay, now we will go to the interrogative form and we have to write in this way. Was I famous? Were you famous? Was he, she, or it famous? Were we famous? Were you famous? Were they famous? Okay, now if you want to use it in short answer, then it will be I was, you were, he, she, or it was, we were, you were, they were. And the negative short answer will be I wasn't, you weren't, he, she, or it wasn't. No, I wasn't. No, you weren't. No, he, she, or it wasn't. No, we weren't. No, you weren't. No, they weren't. Okay, I hope you have understood the structure. Okay, now we'll go to the next slide, my dear students. Okay, now we'll go to we are going to do activity B. Use the correct forms of verbs in the following gaps. Number 1, when I am giving you the answer also. Okay, I don't want to waste my time, so I at the same time I am telling you the answer. I hope you will write it down in your exercise book. Number 1, when I was a child, I knew how to ride a bicycle. My elder brother taught me carefully, and at one stage I could be able to learn it. Number 2, our school arranged an inter-school debate competition on 23rd March, and we became the runner-up position. We got a certificate and a crest from the chief guest. Number 3, last night we had no electricity in our locality. My father bought some candles and we all enjoyed candlelight dinner. It it gave great fun. Number 4, he would play football in his youth. Okay, my dear students, we have finished activity B. Now we are going to do activity C. Make past tense questions and answers using the words given. One is done for you. That means you have to answer, and you will there is a question and there is also answer here. You have to just rearrange this. Number 1, who did you see in the room? I saw Jamal there. When did you go to school? We went to school at 8:15 a.m. Where did you celebrate your holiday? We celebrated our holiday our village. We celebrated our holiday in our village. Why did you come late to class? Number 8, the answer will be I came late because it rained in the morning. Number 9, when did your father promote as general manager? The answer will be in number 10. My father promoted early this year. So, my dear students, there is some D activity there, and here is a right. They have said to write a paragraph on any one of the following using the past simple tense. That means we have to follow the past simple tense, and you have to write any paragraphs about this topic, like our liberation wire, the day I passed my PEC exam, and my last vacation. You have to write write in any one paragraph from these three topics. Okay, my dear students, I hope it's enough for today, and there is some request for you that you must the COVID situation is very very what I will say, we are very worried about this pandemic situation, COVID situation. So you must stay at home, you must stay safe. Okay, you keep your safety first, and if you go to outside for emergency, you must put mask in your face. Okay, my dear students, uh, I hope you will be fine and stay home, stay safe. That's all. Bye. For me to